I'm glad to welcome friends on my channel. Today I will show you how I draw the portrait of the girl from the photo. If you're ready, tap like for this video and let's get started. But first we need to prepare the photo. To do this, go to any photo editor and add the contrast. Our task is to make of the face as expressive as possible, to show light and dark areas. Save the photo and start preparing the workplace. As always, the basis of any planes is the black and white paint. Also take flesh, sienna dark, carmine, and the English red. Add some brown, yellow sand, and the red for the lips. Pour some white spirit and our desktop is ready for the drying. Before starting, I recommended moistening the canvas with the white spirit for the better application. Liquid strokes begin to fill the background. Make it darker in the corners closer to the center. Leave place for the portrait. Wipe the place for the face with a napkin and start drawing the first sketches. Set the shape of the hair and divide the face to draw the main objects. Sketching the nose, eyes and lips. Draw the chin and set the general shape of the face. Start shaping the hair and gradually add size to it. Also gradually begin to add the dark areas of the hair. Now with the white paint we draw the light areas of the face. Usually it's a convex part of the face. Now with the dark plane we draw the in-the-depth paint of the face. It's the eyes and the cheekbones and the shadow of the nose. When we are done with the sketches of the main object, we can proceed to their detailed drawing. Add the natural white color of the eyes and proceed to the detailed drawing for the lips. Also add the shadow to the nose and draw the eyes. Draw eyelashes for the thin brush. The main elements of the drawing, the portrait, are the eyes, nose and lips, since they are the most covering and resembles to the person you are drawing. With a slight movement of the napkin, you can make the smooth transition from the dark to the light skin area. Gradually begin to work out of the fine details of the eyes. Now add the natural color of the eyes so they don't look so transparent. The white highlights in the eyes should be symmetrical to the one another and located slightly to the right of the center. For the overall contrast of the portrait, we can add highlights. We move to drawing the dark areas of the hair. Since part of the neck in the shadow, we draw it dark. Napkin smoothly connected to the light part. I decided to make a shot in the light green and turquoise colors. Just like with the face, we begin to sketch out the light and the dark spots. Now we draw in more detail the color of the rest of the shirt. Since in the future to the shirt will be covered with hair, do not draw too much in the details. In this case, the shirt serves as the background to the hair. One important detail about the drawing hair. We do not draw each hair separately, we draw them in batches. Now on top of the dark areas of the hair, we impose natural hair color. After again, we can show the dark areas of the hair. This will add more contrast to them. Now let's start drawing the light highlights of the hair. Pay attention to my movement with the brush. I barely touch the canvas and the result is thin lines. Add more contrast for the lips and take the highlights. Gradually we can paint over all parts of the face. Draw the decoration with a thin line. And don't forget for the dark line of the shadow. Now add the light highlight to all areas of the portrait. Don't forget to identify your work. Well friends, I'll probably end here. Write in the comments it turned out it looked like in the photo or not. I hope this video was helpful and you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe the channel so you don't miss the next drawing video. Thank you all of the attention and see you soon.